Is your crack repair equipment stuck in the Stone Ages? Are you working harder than your machine? If you're tired of an aching back, equipment that doesn't stay lit, and a face full of toxic smoke every time you stop to agitate your crack filler, then the RY10 ELITE is your new melter. The industry's first digital dashboard places temperature, igniter, and burner start right at your fingertips. Light your machine without crouching on the ground and always know what temperature your crack sealer is at a glance. You're in full control in the operating position. The adjustable handlebars mean no more backaches. Adjust the tension on the valve control to suit your hand size and eliminate strain. All controls are closer together to reduce the amount of movement you have to make. You'll be less tired at the end of a long day. Say goodbye to long heat-up times to get hardened sealant out of your dispensing valve. The new Rhino Valve keeps sealant inside the kettle until it's in use. The valve is drip-free, doesn't need to be heated, and features a reversible spreader so you can apply sealer going forwards and backwards. Time is money, and this machine saves you plenty. And if you're on the move, the 2-ton ratchet straps, latching lid, and kettle spacing put your safety first. The redesigned kettle tilts slightly forward in case of overloading. It fits two 30-pound bricks of crack fill and supports 3-sided loading. And it has lifts on the front for easy loading and unloading from vehicles. Break out of the Stone Ages. Take advantage of the latest technology to revolutionize your crack filling business. Save time, increase productivity, save money.